Hey, what's up, Deviants? Welcome back to another video. Are you shocked from the title? Yes, we have the GSXR 1000 here. But guys, this is not my GSXR. It belongs to one of my friends. So it belongs to Adnan. Adnan, if you're watching this video, thanks a lot, brother, for giving my memories back to me. The GSXR. See, the problem is I cannot ride these kind of bikes. Damn boy, I miss that sound. Okay, let's give it a shot. See, if it's a short spin, I can manage somehow, but I cannot seriously sit on bikes like this for a long time because my wrist is not ready yet, the left wrist. So there's Adnan on the RR310. Damn, the Gixxer. So this one's running on a race fit exhaust, slip-on exhaust. Mine had a Leo Vinci full system. Okay, it's on high beam, huh? The non-ABS monster. I feel like I want to open the throttle, but come on, no. I can barely grip the handlebars with my left wrist, so let's not take any chances. Guys, to be frank, I've ridden almost all modern bikes. Trust me, the GSXR is something special, something very special. If you have ever ridden a GSXR, you would know the feeling. The kind of torque, the power you get in the low revs, you can't find it on any other later class super sport. You know, they all take time to give you performance, but GSXR is not like that. It's a beast from the low revs. It's not only about performance, there is something special about this bike. Now I'm only talking about this model. I think it was from 2011 to 14 or 2009 to 14, I'm not sure, but mine was a 14 model, even this bike. So it has nothing, no electronics, not even ABS, only 3 power modes, A, B and C. It's a savage bike, guys. Like I said, if you have ridden a GSXR ever, you would know the feeling. Even today, if you ask me to choose to pick a bike from all the available options, I would still pick this one up. But the only problem is it's not safe for a later class motorcycle. Just the ABS will do. I don't really care about all the other electronics. If it just has the ABS, I would still pick this up any given day over rest of the bikes, because the shape of this GSXR, the feel is completely different. The ones that came after 2016, like the 2017 plus models, I really don't like that. I don't know why. They've given all the safety, all modern electronics to those bikes, but it's still not as special as these models. So that is the reason GSXRs were a big flop after 2017. Nobody really liked them. Tempts me, bro, tempts me. But no, like I said, I still need time for all that. My wrist is already starting to ache. So on a broad highway like this, somehow I can manage, like say for 10-15 kilometers. But inside city, there is no way I can ride these bikes. So Adnan, buddy, I cannot thank you enough for giving me this experience. to ride your GSXR. So this was the same exact model as mine. I feel so sad of what happened 6 months back to my GSXR, to my baby. I really miss her. I still love her to the core of my heart. I told you, no bike can replace you, GSXR. No bike. So my GSXR, like I said, it's in the service, Suzuki service right now, getting ready again. I told you there is not much damage on it, but it will still need time for all the body kit to arrive. In the middle of this COVID situation, it's gonna take time, guys. Such a beautiful motorcycle. Suzuki, if you are watching this, I know you're not, but still, it's a request from DB. Please give the modern GSXRs the old shape, the old body kit, and I'll pick a brand new GSXR. Trust me. I just love this machine to the core of my heart. But guys, as sweet as the GSXR is, it's deadly. It can kill you. It's a killing machine. And if you want to ride anything above 150 kmph, you need balls of titanium, magnesium, vibranium, all combined together. Alright, I think it's enough. Let's get back on the RR310. So the vlogs will continue, guys. Stay subscribed. Tap the bell icon to get notified instantly when I upload a video. I cannot even pull the clutch, bro. It's too tight. Hey, wait. Okay, hear that baby once. Savage. Savage, bro. I really miss my bike. But what to do? Hey, come on, I can get it back again. It's not a problem. There's always another bike. If you are healthy, if you are fit, you can always get another bike. Ah, you got all my memories back. Savage machine. Just be careful on it, huh? Just be careful on it. It's a monster. Bye bye GSXR.